Hey guys, welcome to Flex Strength Friday. Today what we're going to look at is a little bit of hip drive and moving that through a power progression and power movements like snatch. I know we have a lot of CrossFit athletes, so we're talking about whether we can put some stuff up on how to do open workouts. This is going to help, especially this week with the power snatches, so we're just going to look at that. First off, I know Dr. Matt talked about it last week in the deadlift. This is going to help the hip drive, which he spoke about, and you can read that blog, but I'm just going to show you the exercise one more time. So we're just standing on the band, putting it behind our head. We have a little bit of hip hinge, and we're coming up. And as that tension increases, we're just shooting our hips through. Boom, right like that. What this is going to do is it's going to help. I see with a lot of new athletes, when they bring a bar up, they'll bring the bar back to their hip rather than a good bar path and coming up and bringing their hips to the bar, which is what we're optimally going to look for here. Another thing we can do right before we start any workout or any power movement or just to get better, we're going to step into a band. It's going to go right around my waist, right below my belt line. I'm going to walk out, get a little tension. That nice flat back spine going on right here. You can almost see right here like this. Going to keep it coming down. And from here, we're going to be able to boom. Boom. Right there too. So we're getting that drive at the top of the tension point. On to a little more specific thing that's going to help for this week. So just pretend this is my bar. We can do this with the PVC to warm up. First we're going to get down into a good snatch position. Try to get that neutral spine. And all we're going to do is straighten up, almost just like a deadlift. Boom. From there, next step, we're going to go into a high hang and just explode up from here, coming up onto our toes. You can watch my hips moving forward. So then we're going to do a medium hang. From this medium hang position, we're just going to do a power shrug. So as I power shrug, my hips are coming to the bar. The bar's not coming back to my hips. Hips to the bar. And the final thing is, so same position, medium hang right above the knee. And we're just going to pull up, high pull, down, up. So my hips are hitting. As they hit, it's a high pull right here. So a full thing is going to look like, from the ground, up, boom. Ground, coming up, good bar path, hips to the bar, high pull. And then once we're up here at the nipple line, this is where we're going to drop under into our snatch. But that's a whole different lecture, and we'll get on that later. Today I just wanted to focus on hip power, and hip explosion. All right, guys, thanks a lot. We'll see you next week.